everyone, welcome back to our channel Almet Makeup. And if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I do post videos on makeup tutorials, reviews, fashion, makeup, lifestyle and much more. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ एक छोटा सा मिनी पर्पल haul in which most of them are skincare, hair care and a little bit of makeup also in it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's see what I have bought in this purple haul. So पहले मैंने खरीदा है वो स्किन साइंस का hair care kit. It is a onion hair care kit and it is a no parabens, no sulfate, no silicones, no PEG, no synthetic fragrance and no mineral oil and no color product, and it is a environmental friendly products. So and you will get total of 800 ml of the products inside this box. So basically this kit is restore and rejuvenate hair care kit, and you will get red onion black seed oil shampoo and red onion black seed oil hair conditioner and also onion black seed hair oil, which is infused with red onion seed oil extract and black seed oil and essential nutrients for strong strands and healthy roots. So basically this kit is all about hair fall, and it will control your hair fall. And I have listened a really good review about this product, and I want to spread my hands over this from so many days. So at last I have purchased this kit, and it retails for rupees around 1000, and it is in discount in purple around 1000 या 900 around का था कुछ. So मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट खरीद लिया है. ये डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड भी है. So the basically it retails for rupees 1597. MRP में यही लिखा है. And you will get the shelf life is 2 years का shelf life मिलेगा आपको. 2021 में मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ था and 2023 इसका एक्सपायरी डेट है. So basically you get this. First, this is the Wow Skin Science का hair conditioner, and you will get 300 ml of the product inside it. So this is how the bottle looks like. Next you will get a shampoo which is also a 300 ml ka hai again, and also the shampoo is also for 300 ml again. So yeah, the shampoo this is how the shampoo looks like. And next you will also get a onion black seed hair oil, and you will get 200 ml of the product inside it. And I will give the review of all these products once I have used and complete using it. So yeah, this is the products which I have purchased first. So जब मैंने Wow Skin Science का वो किट खरीदा है वो अराउंड 1000 रुपीज का था. सो कुछ ऑफर चल रहा था कि ये बाय करो तो ये फ्री आ जाएंगे. ये है Wow Skin Science का हिमालयन रोज हैंड एंड नेल क्रीम विच इज ऑल्सो नो पैराबेन्स, नो सिलिकॉन्स एंड नो मिनरल ऑयल एंड नो कलर. सो दिस आई हैव गॉट एज अ फ्रीबी. So yeah, this is the product which I have got as a freebie. So next I have purchased this M Caffeine ka Naked and Raw Coffee face scrub with vitamin E infused in it. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it retails for rupees around 350 around, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it retails for rupees 349, and you will get 100 grams of the product inside it, and this has the expiry date of 1 year. So yeah, this is manufactured in 2021 only. So this retails for rupees again 350, and also again I have got a freebie with this product. So for buying this full product of M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face scrub, I have got this as a freebie, which is a filled with happiness of face care kit. It contains and you will get 3 trial pack products so you can use. And this is the face wash you will get, and it is around, you will get 20 ml of the product as face wash to try on, guys. So this is how the packaging looks like, and you will get a face scrub again to test as a travel size kit or testing kit. You will get again a 20 grams of face scrub, and also a cute little tub which is filled with coffee mask, M Caffeine ka coffee mask. So this is how the packaging looks like. So these are the freebies which I have got when I have purchased the M Caffeine ka face scrub. So next I have also purchased this Good Vibes ka green tea purifying face wash, which is I have listened a great good reviews about this product again. So I just have purchased it. I didn't use it yet, but soon इसको यूज करके आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी रिव्यू. ओके, so this is how the packaging looks like and it retails for rupees around 200 and trust me, in Purple you will get always in discount. You can buy it around 130 or 150 around. So let's move on to makeup now. So for makeup I have purchased this Stay Kritika Badass Kajal. So this is my third purchase of this product. I think fourth purchase of this product. I really love this product, guys. It's really affordable and also glides on your eyes really smoothly and like that. So I really love this product and it is retails for rupees 125 and again you can get it in discount for around rupees 100 or 95 around. So I have purchased this. So next I have purchased this NY Benka lipstick in the shade Manhattan Bridge. Sorry, Manhattan Red nahi, Manhattan Bridge. So this is the product. This is the product which I have used on my lips and these I have purchased 3 of them because I am adding these lipsticks to my giveaway. So I have purchased specially for you guys because the color was so awesome and the color was so versatile. So I have purchased this to give away. So I will soon share what the giveaway products I'm gonna give away for you guys. And last but not the least, this is the eyeliner from Blue Heaven, which is a long wear, waterproof, rough proof, ultra black quick drying mascara, wax free eyeliner, sorry mascara nahi, eyeliner. So and it retails for rupees just 75 and I have read a great reviews about this product. I just want to try because it is super affordable. So I just want to try this product out. So yeah, soon review. So this is my mini chota haul of Purple. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful, and if you would like to purchase any products I will give you all the details in the description box, so don't forget to check that out and also let me know your valuable opinions in the comment section, guys. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and so yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.